reversing on the street. Problem, everyone is complaining. And now, what? This is crazy. So you have to consult the SMO. Okay, yeah, I believe he knows. Of course, he's seeing what's going on. Tell him. He should know if there's someone remaining. But I must tell you, that one person remaining from that massacre must be a golden child.
You think so?
Yeah. Isn't it obvious? It's obvious, bro. The blind can't see.
It is done. All the spiritual burdens on your shoulder have been lifted off. You are now free. Sula kakakaka. Yakarakatinda rakakakakakakakakaka. Kukakakakaka kukakakakaka. Kakakukukarakakakakaka. Sula karinda yakakakakakakakakakakaka. Kakakakakakakakakaka.
Yes, you are doing well for your people, but time has come for you to do the needful. Time has come for you to obey the Spirit more than what we were. It's corner when we were. It's in a granite for it's a caracane walkie. It's in a caracane. It's a caracane walkie. It's in a caracane. No freedom in this palace. Everybody is a suspect.
Good morning, my queen. I just can't stay here any longer. Please let me go. Biko.
Please, my queen. Please let us go.
I know why you want to go, but I am worried for you. Will you be able to get a good job out there?
Yes, my queen. The God that provided this one for us will provide another one. Yes. Please, my queen, let us go.
Yes, you are doing well.
Oh, Kainaba, please.
It's okay. You can go.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
my queen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May you live long, my queen.
Long.
Thank you.
Time has come for you to obey the Spirit more than what we were. This is more than what we were. This is not gonna This is Karakane Bwakidi. This is Nagaragabo. This is Karakane Bwakidi. This is Nagaragabo. freedom. In this palace, everybody is a suspect. Who will bring the sanity back? Onyege Mayo. Onyege Wo. Ekwachumwemu. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Igwanyo, use your tongue and count your teeth before it's too late.
Good news.
Your Highness. Welcome.
Yeah. Good news. Sit down, sit down. The burden has been lifted. Yes, it calls for celebration. Where is my son?
Oh, he went out early in the morning.
Let's go and bring back our daughter. I'm sure she's fine now.
This is the message the doctor sent to me.
What?
For hours now, I've been asking you things about the throne of my fathers. But you kept me quiet as if I'm a mere commoner.
These are things you should ask your father, not me.
My father has told me a lot, but I just want to know the truth. Is there anyone remaining from the lineage of King Otobolo?
Your father said he killed them all.
And stop telling me what my father said and tell me the truth. Is there anyone remaining from the lineage of King Otobolo? I'm going to stab myself to death if you don't tell me what I need to know.
Please, don't do this. It will be a great taboo if your blood drops on this ground when your father is still wearing the crown. Please.
My friends. Step aside, Isubechi. If anything happens to me, tell my parents. But I need to do this for my people and myself as well. Step aside.
My friends, please. You really
One.
need to take a chill pill. Please, you don't need to do this.
I said step aside.
Can you tell him?
I can't tell you the secrets of the throne when your father is still alive.
Two.
Okay, hold on. Let me consult the gods. If he's still alive, they will bring him back when the time comes.
3.
Hold on. A son is alive. A son is alive.
Doctor, tell me that the message you sent to me was a mistake.
Madam, it's not a mistake. I mean, after her reaction yesterday, we decided to run a general body test on her. Then we discovered that she's a few weeks pregnant.
This is a shame. This is not only a shame to me, but it's a shame to the palace.
Madam, I don't think there's anything to worry about. She's fine. I can guarantee you that. I mean, as at this morning when I checked on her, she was even ready to go home. She's fine.
You don't understand. What do I tell people? How do I explain it? That my daughter was a virgin till the night she told me she had a dream and saw herself making love to somebody.
I don't think it's right. Like, there's no way she will get pregnant without having a carnal knowledge of a man.
I can vouch for my daughter.
You can vouch for her?
Wondering how possible that is. Because I was the one that woke her up that day. She was stained all over. I was the one that cleaned her up.
In your dreams, are you often familiar with the environment you find yourself and the people you see around?
Yes. I often see myself in the palace and of course with people I know.
Okay. On the night you lost your virginity, can you still remember who made love to you?
Yes.
Then he should be arrested. Yes. He is responsible for this pregnancy and he can't deny it. You see, those things she often sees as dreams are really happening in the reality. Just that she sees reality as though it's a dream. It's a medical condition known as sleepwalking. I was just having sleepwalking. Those things happened real.
Who is that fool? Who is that fool that dared to lay his hands upon my daughter? Who is he?
What are you going to do concerning what he said? Or are you just going to remain silent and move on with your life?
That's what I've been thinking. But I've got to love the fact that I could be a king.
The Ezemo said you can only be king if he's dead.
I can't let the throne slip off my fingers. I've already mapped out plans on how to rule over this kingdom. And when that time comes, should I let all that go? Come on, man.
Well, my prince, you just need to take it easy. You sound so heavy. Just free up your mind.
If I should follow my mind, then I will look for him. I can't let him stop me from being the next king of this land.
One witty Ghana is with the majority. Okirikiri Ghana, oh, because we must come to pass. No matter how them try to hinder.
I got an information from a reliable source that the princess is pregnant out of wedlock. We need to ask the king some questions. It is very obvious now that something is wrong in that palace.
Oh no, you just said my mind. We have a lot of respect for the king. If anything goes wrong, we don't overlook. He may need our help. Maybe, as cabinet chiefs, we should go ask him questions, what the problem is. We may be able to find solution to his problem.
If this is the reason you called me here, count me out. I will not be part of it.
Ichie, it has not got into that. Please, sit down and let us discuss.
You see, this is the wrong time to wake up from sleep. I advise you better go back to sleep.
You are very correct, my dear. Oh no, you better go back to sleep. And do well to count me out of anything that has to do with the king and that palace. I will never go back to that palace again. Not while Igwe Ojiogu is still on that throne. It's not possible.
Ichie Zerube, please sit down. Ichie Zerube, does it mean you want this community to collapse? The essence of having cabinet chiefs like we is because of times like this. When there are issues, we come together, put heads together and fathom out solution.
This was what we wanted to tackle the last time we met. And you scuttled it. Now that the water has reached the throat, you want to get in and called us here to discuss rubbish. I will not be part of this rubbish. I will not be part of it.
Oh no. I am seriously disappointed in you, must tell you. Because you always allow things to get worse before you react, which is very bad in you. We all know the story of Igwe Ogbonna and Agadapa. How the lineage of Igwe Ogbonna were murdered in this village. Questions were not asked. Nobody talked about it. Now, up till now, questions are not still asked.
My fellow elders, this happened too many years ago. I wasn't even a chief then.
Now that you have become a chief, what have you done to great issues like this? When I want to bring up issues like this, you will not allow it to see the light of day. All in the name of the king is a good man. So because the king is a good man, we should keep blind eyes to issues that are going wrong under his leadership, isn't it? At this juncture, we can no longer be members of this cabinet again. Let's go.
You remember the last time we were at the palace? The king even mentioned it.
Oh, yes.
So now, we are leaving this community for you people to run. Run it the way you like. We are not part of it. Yes. We are leaving. Nonsense.
What do you think we will do about this? The community is collapsing.
No freedom in this palace. Everybody is a suspect. Who will bring the sanity back? Onyege can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Use your tongue and count your teeth before it's too late.
What is that? What did I do? What's that? What's going on? Why are you trying to...
He has crossed the line, and the king ordered for his arrest.
Yes.
What did I do now? Ordered for my arrest. Why? What did I do?
I told you to stay clean, so that the dog doesn't bite you with the same teeth placement.
What? Can you just stop showing yourself and
come here?
Stop dragging him! Oh, come on! He's another. What's happening?
Idiot! How dare you? How dare you lay your filthy hands on my daughter? To the extent of getting her pregnant?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. She ordered me to do it. She ordered me to do it.
And you couldn't refuse such a stupid order?
No, sir. She threatened to order for my execution. That was why I didn't purposely do it.
Oh, and I will execute you for defiling my palace.
Bitch, how could you? How could you do a thing like that? Do you know what you've done? Damn!
Okoba, Your Majesty.
Take this fool out of my sight. Tie him up. No food, no water
until I decide on what to do to him. Now take him out! Come on! A stupid commoner getting my daughter pregnant!
But time has come for you to do the needful. Time has come for you to obey the Spirit more than what we were.
I think I found out why all these things are happening.
I performed the cleansing ritual on the land. You would observe that the strange happenings and spiritual manipulations have stopped. I think this happened because we didn't perform the ritual on time.
No, Father. This happened because the gods want to stain the throne on which you sit, so our lineage will be found unworthy to continue ruling this land.
Why did you say so?
A son from the lineage of Igbo Tobolo lives.
What? Who told you that?
The chief priest. I made him say it. I was shocked when I heard it.
I said it. Udoma is wicked. So he knew this all this while and he said nothing. Huh? This man, he wants to take the throne away from my lineage. It will not happen.
Father, this is no time to judge or blame anybody. How do we locate him?
How do I know? It's been ages, and I doubt if we can find him.
We really need to find him as soon as possible.
Time is closing in on us. And I think the gods are trying to pull a fast one on us.
Father, can you remember the man you sent on that execution? Can you tell his whereabouts?
His name is Janta. Wait. Okoba will help us find him.
One witty Ghana is with the majority. Okirikiri Ghana bukwas adianu. Oh, because we must come to pass. No matter how them try to hinder it, Onye chimeleze, Omegoya. Onye chimeleze, Omegoya.
I'm so sorry I put you through this. It wasn't intentional.
Intentional or not intentional, it's just my fate.
Why didn't you deny it? I mean, this could cost you your life.
Even if I die, I died saying the truth. It's actually the first time making love to a virgin. Knowing that you did what you did subconsciously. I don't mind. I believe that is what my future holds.
I like your boldness. And I hope you make it out alive.
My princess, the king sent for you.
One witty Ghana is with the majority. Okirikiri Ghana bukwas adianu. Oh, because we must come to pass. No matter how them try to hinder it, Onye chimeleze, Omegoya. Onye chimeleze, Omegoya. Ife chibule.
Father, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Get prepared. You are leaving this country in 2 weeks' time.
And never come back?
What is the point coming back? I mean, instead of you to bring shame to the family, it's better you leave and not come back.
And what happens to my baby?
Oh, that one is not a problem. I've made arrangement for you to abort it when you get there. Don't worry, nobody in the village will hear about it.
Never! No! I will never abort my child.
Adeze, you have no option on this one. I will not allow you to bring shame to this family. If you don't want to abort it willingly, I will force you to. Read my lips. I am not joking.
I'd rather die than abort my child.
Adeze, don't dare me.
I will not abort.
Don't dare me.
Yes, you are doing well for your people, but time has come for you to do the needful. Time has come for you to obey the Spirit more than what we were.
Please eat. I don't want you to die of hunger, please.
I'm fine. If I die, let me die.
God forbid. God forbid. Nobody will execute you. You will not die. I am praying for you. You will come out of this alive.
Look, I don't want to put you in trouble. Just go, okay? Just go, I'm fine.
Please do something. Please, I'm begging you.
Eat your food. Feed him.
Thank you, my prince.
Uzubeji, I'm so ashamed of you. In my wildest dream, I wouldn't believe you will allow yourself fall into such temptation. Just pray my father forgives you. You just brought shame upon us and you have to pay dearly for it.
Please, temper justice with mercy.
Tell that to my father. Shameless thing.
If I die, I will always remember I met someone like you.
You will not die. Believe me, you will come out of this alive. Okay? Please eat. Okay, let me give you the meat. Eat meat. Please.
Long live your majesty.
How dare you, Janta? How dare you? Why did you spare one while you told me that you killed all of them?
Your majesty, I was trying to get my money.
You were trying to get your money without doing a proper job? That was the height of mediocrity.
Your majesty, I tried to kill him, but he refused to die. I shot at him severally. Not even a bullet could penetrate him. Not even a scratch on his body.
If you knew a bullet could not penetrate him, why didn't you come to me so that I can find another means of killing him?
When I saw a woman passing on the road, I decided to give him to the woman. I practically went home with the woman. While I was trying to devise other means to eliminate him, in the process, I was accosted and arrested by the police for other crimes I have committed in the past. I was jailed. They just left me off the hook a year ago.
Can you locate the house?
Yeah, I can locate it. I think we should go there and find them.
Take me there.
Whenever you're ready, you let me know.
Right away.
Let's go.
One witty Ghana is with the majority. Okirikiri Ghana Bukwosa Dialienu. Oh, because we must come to pass. No matter how them try to hinder into your Onye Chimeleze Omegoya Onye Chimeleze Omegoya Ife Chibule Kuo Wapugoya What the gods say must stand Onye Chimeleze
Hey, what's going on? Are you okay?
Yes. I'm the only son of my mother. If I die, let her see my corpse.
Don't say that. I promise you won't die. Okay?
Let her see my corpse.
It's okay. I'll be back.
No freedom in this palace. Everybody is a suspect. Who will bring the sanity back? Onyege
Father, I went to see Nzubechi, and he's almost passing out. Please, Father, I beg you, let him go. Please release him. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
Adeze, please leave.
Father, I will leave. I will leave if you release him.
You don't seem to get it. This is not about your living. It's about that thing you are carrying in your womb. You have to abort it.
I will abort it. I will abort my child. If you let him go, I would do anything you want.
Talking about? I thought you said you know the place.
It's been over 30 years ago, man. Just take it easy.
Listen, you better go back home instead of getting lost in a no man's land, alright? What in God's name is all this?
You don't yell at Genta. If you don't want to go with me, you better go back home.
Hey.
What is it?
You don't talk to my priest that way. Mind your words.
Will you shut up?
Tell Okogba to take him to the hospital. He will be going home from there.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Move it.
Stop thinking about that boy. Thank God he has been released.
Mother, what they did to him was wrong. I mean, he is someone's child. Someone's only son.
Stop being emotional about him. He's just a nobody. He's a commoner.
Well, I can't forget him. I think I love him. Mother, he is nice, he is intelligent, he is smart, he is kind, he's everything, he's just perfect, he's everything.
Are you mad? How can you allow yourself to fall in love with a commoner? People like that are meant to be your stewards and not your lover.
But he is the first man I have known.
You were not conscious.
But I felt it, Mother. I still feel it. I feel it every day. Mother, I have feelings for him.
Don't allow your father hear this rubbish from you because he will not take it lightly with you. Anyway, better start packing your things because I'm sure you're leaving this country earlier than you planned it.
Mother!
Ihe afọ bụ ya zara ya ọrụ nọ mme ife kwuru ka a na-eme otu a ka ọ dị maka na ife a na-eme ga-abụrụ ife kwuru ka ife kwuru wee daba na omume otu a ka ọ dị mgbe etu ka m isi ga-eji ekwe ya zara ya ngwa otu olu na omume Yes! I sent for all of you as directed by the gods. For today is a great day in the annals of our history. Today is a great day in the life of our community. Today is the day of the gods. The day the gods will manifest in their powers and wisdom. I love you! Ukwaji bụ ukwaji, ukwaji abụrụ ukwaji. Ihe egwuregwu ka na-eme. Otu aka ọ dị, otu aka ọ ga-adị. Maka na ụmụ akwụkwọ abụrụ isi ka eji ekwu ya. Onye si na ọ bụ akwa ekwetụrụ ya. Onye si ya na-eme enwe bụ isi, a ga-egburu isi asị ka na-eme enwe isi.
What are you doing? The king said you should take me to where I will get treated. Why are you pointing a gun at me?
In your next word, you will learn how to control your manhood.
If I'm not that one to become palm oil, must pass through fire. No one picks up.
This is the house.
What?
Because can do that to you. Makadioti ada kosi fofo nenu. Abuna we muraji echichwaje emesi agebube. Nzube chimama nzube. Nzube chimama. Because he loves you so much. Nzube. Abuna we muraji echichwaje.
Welcome. Welcome, my prince. You did not tell us you were coming.
Do you know them?
I hope there is no problem.
Iya babo, mtu ndo mbele ngwa. Olo, bota, bora bia. Bia. Obia.
Sorry. I lost my way.
Hey, come back here. Come back. Come back here. Descendant of Igbe Okonobi. Otobo. Elders of our land. Behold your king. Igwe. Ibe kwuru ka na mi ba na me ka kwuru. Otu akwa ga dị. Ihe babo, ndị do mbele ngwa. Oga bra bi siga je kwe.
I was married for 10 years without a child. My husband married another wife who gave him children. After many years of humiliation and embarrassment, he sent me out of his house. When I came back, I decided not to marry again. When I told my family about my decision, they gave me here to stay. One day, when I was coming back from seeing a friend, I met one masked man. That beautiful day, I automatically became complete. I was overwhelmed with joy. I raised him and I took him as my biological son. When he was 5 years old, I noticed he needed a companion, someone to play with. I told my sister and begged her. She gave me one of her daughter, which is Nega here. They became siblings.
Mama, I can't believe that Nzubechi is not your son. Honestly. So tell me, whose son is it then?
I didn't know. He just handed the child to me and ran away. I did not even care to ask because I was happy. I took care of him with all the love in me. I named him Nzubechi, the will of God, because I know that the will of God is for me to have a son, a child that I will call mine after being rejected and condemned by many. I trained him as my own son, as mine. But come to think of it, how were you able to locate here?
On that fateful day when I was carrying that child, absolutely, I didn't know what I would do with him. Not until I saw you. When I looked at you, the way you dressed, looking so decent and responsible. So I decided to give the child to you so you could take care of him. I followed you home to be sure you don't throw away the child. That was how I got to know this place.
But how did you come to know the prince?
I just told him about it and he decided to accompany me.
My prince, where is my son? Is everything okay with him?
I didn't know we were coming here. Honestly, I'm really short of words. This world is a small place.
Father, where's Nzubechi?
He must have joined his ancestors by now. I ordered for his execution.
Father, he's the boy Janta saved. The only man remaining from the lineage of Igbo Tobolo.
What? And he's been with us in this palace all this while? Without our knowing? What?
Some elders are out there with chief priest. They say they want to see you, sir.
The chief priest? Let's go. What is going on here? What is going on here?
The gods of Amaji Kingdom have come to reclaim their throne. They say you are no longer fit to occupy this throne because your hands are soiled with innocent blood.
Lie! Lie! This is propaganda against my family and I. This is blasphemy, and the gods will never forgive you for this. Now leave my palace. Leave! I said leave!
Father, what have you done? Father, what have you done? Why are you all looking at me like that? Why can't you do something?
Eyes of the gods. Eyes of the gods.
I can't believe my ears. Nzube is now a king.
I can't equally believe my ears. You know, the way Nzube was talking about working in the palace, I thought he was out of his mind. I'm so happy for Brother Nzube. I'm very, very happy for him. Seriously. I am very happy for him.
You know that we have to apologize to Nzube for not being supportive. Because all of us were against him when he was pushing to work in the palace.
Onyema, let me tell you. Do you know that Brother Nzube sent the palace guard to come and tell us to get ready to go to the palace by the weekend? I cannot wait to go to the palace, Baba. Hey, God, oh.
My own Nzube.
Brother Nzube. Hey, Baba, can't wait. Seriously.
This life is somehow, and this world is somehow too. It turns round and round and round. Coming to think of it, who could have believed that I was raising a king all this while? Eh? But what if I had rejected him by the time they gave him to me? Or even maltreated him? Now that he has become a king, he would have come to fight me.
He will send it to me.
But now I cannot wait to get to the palace. I can't wait to get to the palace. Hey, I can't wait. Brother Nzube king. Hey, God.
If I'm not that one to become palm oil, must pass through fire. No one picks up a dead lion right in his compound. And they may know only the gods can do that to you. Makadioti adia kosi fofo nenu. Abuna we muraji echichwaja emesi agenube. Nzube chimama nzube. Nzube chimama. Because he loves you so much. Nzube. Abuna we muraji echichwaja emesi agenube. Nzube chimama nzube. A boy with a good heart, each other so jaja. Abuna we muraji echichwaja emesi agenube. Nzube chimama nzube. Odalu wanya nadia makwanu gulo nenubo. Ife chukuzo narela ninu werikabwa. Abuna we muraji echichwaja emesi agenube. Nzube chimama nzube.